This next question comes from Eric Lafont, and it's directed to Greg. He asks, how is Precision Castparts handling the severe slowdown in the aerospace industry?
So very consistent with everything we've just discussed, which is obviously a large part of their business is the aerospace industry. And it can really be broken into three areas as we do in our queue, but two are being impacted. The defense contract business remains very sound and strong within Precision Castparts. But if you look at the large body aircraft, the aircraft that they use within the regional jets, that business will move directly with the demand there and the jets that are ordered longer term. So Precision Castparts is literally, as we speak, continuing to adjust their business relative to the demand that would come out of Boeing. They would be having weekly calls with Boeing, recognizing what are the production orders there and adjusting the business accordingly.
Boeing raised $25 billion just a day or two ago, and they raised $14 billion before that, and a year ago they felt they were in a fine cash position, and I understand how all that happened. Airbus has had the same situation. They've made some comments recently within the last week, the fact that they really don't know what their future is, and I don't know what their future is. We're gonna have aircraft in this country. We're gonna be flying, but the real question is whether you need a lot of new planes or not, and when you're likely to need them, and it affects a lot of people, and it certainly affects Precision Castparts. It affects General Electric. It obviously affects Boeing, it is a blow to essentially have your demand dry up, and it goes up in the chain, and the aircraft manufacturers didn't bring it on themselves. The airlines didn't bring it on themselves. Precision Castparts didn't bring it on itself. General Electric didn't. It's basically that we shut off air travel in this country, and what that does to people's habits, how they behave in the future, it's just hard to evaluate. I don't know the answer, but we do know that it will have an effect on Precision Castparts, and how severe it will be, it depends on the same sort of variables that are hitting Boeing and you name the company in aircrafts. And aircraft's a big business. And this country's good at it, incidentally, too. I mean, if you think about Boeing, it is one hell of a company, and it's important. It's a huge exporter, and it affects a lot of jobs, and some of them are with us. And we hope for the best, and we wish everybody the best, obviously, and we wish ourselves the best in it. But part of it is certainly out of our control.
Right. Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.